Hi friends, so welcome on YourPedia Media, and today with me is sitting Rajendra Prasad. Welcome Rajendra.
Yes.
Rajendra, you represent Department of Biotechnology, Nipar. I think it's in nearby Chandigarh.
Yes, sir. Mohali.
Mohali, very good. So Rajendra, you had a wonderful presentation today, and the topic was enhancing therapeutic efficiency of chemotherapy drugs in the liver cancer using, I don't know how to pronounce it, but that is LBURGINAZETM, right?
Yes,
So
sir. It is called as LBURGINAZE.
Okay, that's the
Basically,
word.
it is an enzyme.
Sorry, I couldn't pronounce it. So Rajendra, I want you to tell very briefly my viewers about this particular product.
Yes, sir. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving this opportunity. And coming to the topic, our product is a basically protein biopharmaceutical against liver cancer. As you know, liver cancer is one of the major leading cause of death in worldwide, and in India also. So the problem with liver cancer is it is being detected only in a late stage. Actually, liver is a particular organ which will works until it's been deteriorated to 90%. So we will not be able to detect in early stage. So most of the cases are being diagnosed at late stage only. So at particular that advanced stage, the treating liver cancer is very difficult. So now currently the treatment is with chemotherapeutic drugs. As everyone knows, chemotherapeutic drugs are like toxic in nature. So
Very painful, huh?
very painful and severe toxicity effects.
That's true.
So because of some people claim that because of toxicity only people are facing death. Okay, after taking treatment only it is causing death.
Okay.
So there are assumption like that. So our idea is instead of a chemical, we can use a biological which is already present in our body. So we will put some more amount, so it will be acting as an agent. So basically our product is arginase. It is an enzyme. So what it will do, it will hydrolyze the amino acid which is essential for liver cancer. So cancer cell will not be able to synthesize it in its own, and it cannot take from the body which is already present. So it will basically starving the cancer.
Okay.
So alone albuginase is also effective. So another method we can with the combination of any other chemotherapeutic drugs. So what we will do is we are basically weakening the cancer. So we will stop the feeding of cancer. So we will put arginase and some other chemotherapeutic. So it will ultimately kill the cancer. So that is our product basically.
Looks like very good, very innovative. But I would like to ask you, Rajendra, how successful are we in the research in achieving our objective?
Yes, sir. Coming to research part, actually we have a head of process. So we have established proof of concept. We have produced different variants. We have tested in animal also. So it has in animal also we have seen very good effect in combination of 5-fluorouracil we have done assays. So very effective treatment we have seen. Very the tumor has shrinked so much, so it is showing a potential anti-cancer activity.
Okay, so very fact that we are here in this particular conference looks like you want to collaborate with the industries.
Yes,
my question to you is, what exactly do you need from the industrial collaborators?
Yes. So coming to industry point of view, we are in such a stage of proof of concept. So whatever happening we are able to do in academic level, we are already up to mark.
Okay.
So whatever the next level studies are going to be in large level, like toxicology studies, it requires a large number of animals, and GLP level studies. So it needs a lot of energy, manpower, and of course money also. So in order to meet that requirements, we need an industrial collaborator. So who will be able to help us in terms of money and manpower and infrastructure. So we will be able to conduct these studies and
okay, so Rajendra, when we go to industries, industries want to invest their money and capital in your research, but they have very pertinent question, very valid question is like, what is the guarantee that this product is gonna sell? Because the industry thinks from that perspective. So have you done any kind of analysis, market analysis of your product, that if industry invests this much of funding on your research and something, eventually they are going to get their money back?
Yes, in terms of analysis, we have done basic analysis, like SWOT analysis.
You have done?
So we have done. We have contacted couple of industries. They have shown like interest, but it is at very primary level. Nothing has progressed yet, but we are in process. Once we are like whatever we are thinking is, we will show them the potential of the our molecule. We will give a chance, like we will show in like ourselves.
So that means you want to show your research to them,
Yes, sir.
convince them that it is going to work, right?
Yes.
Okay. Any competitor you have for this product?
Currently, there is no product as such in market, but some products are in clinical trials.
Okay.
Those are basically based in China and USA. But in India, there is no product has been developed, or in preclinical studies, there is no data.
See, Indian market otherwise also is very cost sensitive.
Yes.
When it comes to health, it becomes even cost sensitive, and when it comes to deadly disease like cancer, the cost is exuberantly high.
Yes.
Where your product stands as far as the cost is concerned?
Yes. As a biologic, first concern comes into mind, it is cost. So compared to chemo, it will be little bit cost, but we are using an effective process like PK-Pestrus expression system, where the protein whatever we are producing is basically economical in nature. Currently, we are producing around like whatever the cost analysis we have done, as far as now, it will cost around 5,000 per dose. So it is not that much too much costly when compared to biologics, whatever we are using antibodies.
Okay.
So it is a cost effective approach, we can say.
Okay. So clinical trials also have been done?
No, sir. We are
still in the
proceeding
stage.
further. Yes,
Okay.
sir, we are.
Okay. So don't you think like these industries will be more interested to invest in your product after clinical trials are successful?
Yes, sir. Of course, the industry wants a product which is already ready-made, but everything is not like that. So what our request is, like there are funding agencies which will fund certain ongoing research with collaboration of industry. For example, there is a fund open BIRAC. So here we can academia collaborate with the industry, so they can do research, and then so we need a large amount, so we don't have that much infrastructure. So if industry comes ahead, so we will be able to get grant and proceed. So ultimately, whatever the patent rights and commercialization, it will be according to the NIPER rules.
Okay. So I'm sure there can be so many industries you must be targeting. You have any industries in your mind to whom you want to pitch in?
As of now, no, sir. But we are more interested in like which are companies working on anti-cancer, like Biocon or Lupin.
These companies are there.
Syngene.
Okay, wonderful. Have I missed anything which you want to tell or you want to say about this entire research?
One thing like I want to say as our research, our primary idea is to provide an effective therapy for liver cancer in India. The problem we are addressing is people in like countries like developing countries, like economically like moderate countries like in India, they face a lot of struggle to pay the hospital charges. So all the available therapies are very costly. So our approach is economic in nature. So we want to develop a product which is economic and effective for
it helps the masses.
middle class people, we can say.
Cost effective.
Yes,
also. Wonderful. Yes. Very novel idea, and no doubt when it comes to disease and research related to disease, it assumes the noble cause itself. So it was wonderful, Rajendra. So very nicely explained everything. Now I'll request.
Okay,
so thanks a lot, Rajendra.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.